waste at the local municipality. You may want to say, I mean, it has come to a stage where we will say here is collapse, but we are reviving that through the assistance from various Department of Transport. They are also here today, DIG and municipal offices and officials from Emfuleni local municipality. We've also got business that is involved as well. While business community they are here, and also the contractors who are doing projects around Emfuleni local municipalities. They also assisted with their resources at various stages where we are collecting waste. So I'm very happy with what is happening today. I'm sure the community will be very happy as well because this is the beginning. We had them, we had the outcry, and we're going to attend. It's not only a waste that we are going to deal with it, also the roads that in the near coming weeks that we deal with them so that we can assist. We understand the issue of the fleet that is a problem. That very soon we are going to a long-term lease contract that will be organized so that we can assist and attend all the waste and other services that we need to attend so that the service delivery inflow can go back to where it was.